Urgent investment sale police cars revolving light Toyota Vitz push start 2015 registered 2018. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable Japanese car, perfect for family use or smart investment, then today's offer is something you should not miss. This is an urgent sale, so please watch the video till the end. Today we are presenting a Toyota Vitz first edition with push start. Model 2015, registered 2018. A car well known in Pakistan for its excellent fuel average, smooth drive, and strong resale value. Let's start with the exterior condition. This car comes in a beautiful pearl black color, which gives it a premium and stylish look. Pearl black always looks elegant and attractive, especially in Japanese cars. The outside has been fully showered, giving the car a fresh and clean appearance. Paintwork looks neat, shine is well maintained, and the car looks very presentable on the road. Now let's talk about the engine, which is the heart of any vehicle. This Toyota Vitz has an unsealed engine, meaning the engine has never been opened. Performance is smooth, soundless, and completely healthy. There is no smoke, no vibration, and no mechanical issue at all. Toyota engines are famous for their durability, and this one is still in excellent condition. The mileage is only 89,000 kilometers, which is very reasonable for a 2015 model. The mileage is genuine and perfectly justified. This car has been perfectly home used, not abused, not driven roughly, and properly maintained with care. Let's move to the driving experience. The drive of this Toyota Vitz is very smooth and comfortable. Steering is light and responsive, suspension absorbs road bumps well, and overall ride quality is excellent. It is ideal for city driving, daily office use, and family trips. Whether you are a new driver or an experienced one, this car is easy and enjoyable to drive. This variant comes with push start, which adds modern convenience. You don't need to insert the key, just press the button and start the car. This feature is highly demanded in the market. Now let's talk about the air conditioning, which is very important in Pakistan's weather. The AC is chilled and powerful. Cooling is excellent even in peak summer. No gas issues, no compressor noise. Just turn it on and enjoy instant cooling. The interior condition is neat and well maintained. Seats are comfortable, dashboard is clean, and all buttons and controls are working properly. There are no warning lights on the meter and no electrical issues. The cabin feels clean and fresh, showing clear signs of careful home use. Now let's discuss the investment value. Toyota Vitz is one of the most popular imported hatchbacks in Pakistan. Its resale value is strong, parts are easily available, and maintenance cost is low. This makes it an excellent choice for investors, dealers, and personal buyers. You can use it daily and still sell it later without facing loss. This is an urgent investment sale, and the final demand is 26 lakh rupees. Considering the model year, registration, push start feature, mileage, and overall condition, this price is very reasonable in the current market. Serious buyers only. If you are looking for a trouble-free Japanese car with good fuel average, comfort, and reliability, then this Toyota Vitz is definitely worth your time. Pushpin quick highlights. Toyota Vitz first edition. Push start. Model 2015. Registered 2018. Pearl black color. Outside full shower. Own sealed engine. 89,000 kilometers mileage. Chilled AC. Perfect home used. Urgent investment sale. Demand 26 lakh. If you are interested, don't delay. Cars like this sell very quickly. Thumbs up sign like the video if you find it helpful. Loudspeaker share it with friends and family. Bell and subscribe to the channel for more urgent sale and investment cars. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next video.